This is a fantastic 3-bedroom Barratt Homes build. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
I waited, all my pride on the table. I was willing and able.
First you have this fantastic open plan living room, dining room.
All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah.
If you're interested in viewing this property or evaluation of your own home, please get in touch.
Call you back in and stop you. Just can't help that I